Alright, we got our head here. We're all done getting our side screwed in here on the sides. So we want to hook up our mouth. So we got it all sanded down, and we'll give it a final sanding after I get the mouth and everything attached. Make sure everything's working properly. So we got the mouth, and I marked here where I want to come back, and I got to put a one here, and we're going to put one down here. It's a little eye hook we're using here. Put one up in this spot. This is where our spring is going to attach to. We'll hook our spring to this, and then the spring gets hooked to the top of the head inside. And then this one will go back here. And this is what we're going to tie our string to, which will go down through the neck. So we got those. So we want to check to make sure everything's going to work all right. We're using a 3-inch spring. And we have a hook up here. That's going to hook to. We have a 24-inch piece of nylon string, and that's going to go back here. And we're going to tie this on now for temporarily. Feed that through there. Pull our spring through. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Slide this in and see how the fit goes. I think we have plenty of play there. We're going to screw that in. You want to make sure everything works properly before you seal it all up, because you might have to make some final adjustments. enough on the mouth for the mouth to open and close. So now we have a 1/2 inch dowel, and we're going to put that, will be going in here, so we can see if it's going to, if we have the right amount of tension. Feed our string down through here. I have to open that up a little bit more. I'll open that hole up a little bit more and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.